already mixed, yeah?
Already mixed, okay.
And this is mixed before as well, and that's the same. So, I'll fill it, the mix. Yeah, so 3, what? Okay, so 3 parts of, sand. 3 parts of glue, yeah? And the panny? Panny and glue, so. I was just painting a little cement mix onto the wall that will help the cement grip when come to mix the full batch. So making a little pile and adding just a little bit of water into it to start with, and then just mixing it up. The easiest way for large quantities, once you've got the slurry in, is to get it nice and wet and just flick it onto the wall. And if you've got a piece down, you can just catch it, put it back on your board and do it again. Because it can be quite hard to cement it on. The technique I know is just scrubbing it off. And if you use the water-based glue without too much water, I mean these guys went a bit crazy on the glue, so this can be difficult. If you use just a little bit of the glue on the surface, it should be alright. Go on, give it a go. Yeah.